I think that's possible. Right now, as I look at it, the U.S. consumer is in very good shape. Okay, jobs growth is, or let's say, jobs growth are the best it's been in decades. We're starting to see solid indications of improving wages. But like you're saying, there are risks out there, not the least of which has been a weak stock market for the last few weeks. I mean, right now, and what we've seen with the consumer for some time, is the consumer is more and more hardened to what I call macro noise. So that's the political environment, or in this case, a potentially weaker stock market. I think what's really going to make the difference here, as far as the stock market, is how does it track over the course of December? If it stays weak, that's probably a bigger risk. Right now, it's probably okay.
Jill, what type of traffic are you guys seeing today?
We're seeing great crowds, great energy. There are thousands of people out here. We actually opened our doors at 5 a.m. to 3,000 consumers. So a lot of energy, definitely excited to kick off the holiday season here at Mall of America.
Where are you seeing the most people gathering? What's hot in terms of stores at the mall?
Across all the categories, I walk past Lululemon, Apple, Disney, Lego, all the categories are thriving. People are shopping, there's lots of shopping bags. People come out because of the tradition of Black Friday. We don't have a lot of the doorbusters here within our mall, but they're coming out because of the event. And families enjoy this, they come back year after year, and we're excited to see familiar faces here at Mall of America.
Brian, gauge for us how significant the fall in oil prices could be for the U.S. consumer.
Well, look, I think that's a big positive. Now, what's interesting, though, is for most people it's a positive because it means simplistically they'll spend less money filling up their car with gas. But as I look across the country, we do have to be mindful of this. There are certain areas of our country that benefit when oil prices are higher. If you look over the last couple of years, there were some periods of weaker spending, and I think a lot of that had to do with oil prices weak. So generally speaking, lower oil prices good for the consumer, but we have to watch out though, because again, there are these markets, there are parts of the country that definitely benefit when oil prices are higher, just from either the jobs growth or the wealth creation that comes as a result of that.
Jill, what do you see at the department stores? Are there a lot of people? Because all of them have been working so hard on beefing up their online sites to compete with Amazon. I'm wondering how much in-store traffic they're seeing this year.
Yeah, we have Macy's, Nordstrom, and Sears, and all the department stores, especially Macy's, they do a lot of Black Friday deals. But what's interesting here at Mall of America, we have a lot of online stores that have come to brick and mortar, which really keeps the retail experience very innovative and fresh for all of our guests here. So we've had 25 new retailers just this year alone, which just shows the thriving demand of just being able to have new exciting experiences in the shopping environment, in the physical brick and mortar space.